Yeah, my long tractor tire is pretty flat, and if you look real close, can't get close because I'm making a shadow, see? If you get real close, you can see there's something stuck in the sidewall, like a piece of heavy gauge wire that I had tied the fence up with. I guess I had the fence replaced, and I guess they threw the wire like on the ground. It got stuck in the tire. I didn't see it, but it's stuck in the sidewall. So I'm gonna see if I can fix that. Okay. Now I know it holds little air because I actually used the lawnmower with the thing stuck in the wheel. I actually used the lawnmower. I put air in it, but it won't hold air. But it kind of holds it for a little while. But I put air in an air tank because it's easier to bring an air tank around than haul a compressor and the hose and all that stuff. I put some air in it and then run it to the house. Just clip it on there. We'll put some air in there. Whoop! Don't put too much because don't want to blow it. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's enough to, that's pretty good. Yeah, in the light you can see where that piece of wire got stuck in the sidewall. What a pain. Yeah, it's kind of low on pisoline, so I better put some in there. Yeah, I'm adapting an old 64 goat trick I saw that he put like a cement block under there or something. So I put some bricks under the axle there, because when I pull that wire out of there, I reckon that all that air is going to come out when I pull that wire out. So you know, I don't want it sinking on the ground and end up de-beading off that rim. That would be a bad thing, I tell you. I'm going to use this thing here, slime tire plug kit for car and truck tires. Satisfaction guaranteed. Got a comfort T-handle, extra strength tire repair strings. I've seen this done before back in the 70s. My dad had a flat on the Oldsmobile, and the guy just you know, put the rubber cement on one of them strings there. Then you clean your you kind of ream out your hole, kind of clean it out. Then you put one of them strings on the handle. You goop it real good with rubber cement, and you shove it in the tire. But you can't do that nowadays on steel belted stuff. You gotta patch it from the inside too. You gotta put the plug in, you gotta patch it on the inside. And you really don't want to patch sidewalls on a car tire. But I'm just patching the sidewall on the lawnmower, because I mean, it's just a lawnmower. I'm only driving it like 5 miles an hour, and I don't think it's gonna blow or nothing. And it can't be any worse than what I got. Piece of wire in there. So I'm gonna give it a try. Follow the directiones here. Gotta read them first. Got to I could read it with the camera pretty good. So I took one of these things they call a string. It's already coated with something, and you stick it through the hole of the needle like that, and then I'm going to coat it with this rubber cement. Then I'm going to take this thing, this reamer, and I'm going to pull that piece of wire stuck in the sidewall, ream this out, ream that hole out, and then shove the shove that T-handle thing, piece of string in there. That's supposed to do the trick. Okay, so here goes nothing. Got the reamer tool. Gonna pull this piece of wire out of here and start reaming it out. If I can pull it out. Okay. I'm gonna put this in there. Ream this son of a gun out. Get it in there. Oops. Gotta put it in gear. It's tough because it's on an angle. There it goes. So we gotta ream it a little bit like that. We're gonna pull it out and shove this thing in. I'm gonna shove this in here. This angle is bad. Okay, I got it in. Now, this I do about 2/3. I gotta pull it out real quick. Oh shit. Let's see what it looks like. Look at that. I put the plug in. I've never done that before. Now the trick is you just got to cut the excess of that with some kind of cutter plier, and you're good to go, I hope. So that's it, folks. I guess I should try it. I guess I should sit on it, right? And then check the air pressure. So it's not it. Okay, gotta cut the excess. I guess this would do it. Yeah, I need 2 hands. Well, I made a mark in it, but I couldn't cut it. And it's still a little goopy from the cement, so let it dry. I'll cut it later on. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Just in there, it ain't gonna hurt. Okay, I checked the air in the tire. Now, start this bad mama jama up here. Contact. Yes, sir. Take it easy, everybody. Have a good day.